All right, it is Thursday, and I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Thursday Burn at Home workout for you. So it is a great day. If not, you can make it a great day. And how you make it a great day is by getting moving, doing something that's going to not only give you energy and fill you with pride and a sense of accomplishment, but something that's going to make you feel better day in, day out. So if you're just getting started, this is a great way to do it. Have fun with it. If you're just looking to keep your fitness going, this is an awesome place to do it anytime, anywhere. And if you just need a little extra for your training, awesome. Great job. Keep it going. So for today, we've got a warm-up, 2 rounds, 15 high knees, 10 opposite pointers, 15 mountain climbers, and then 10 Russian twists. So on the 2 rounds, we're starting with the 15 high knees. So get those knees up high, go fast, get that heart rate up, get that blood flowing. If you need to reduce the impact a little bit and do more of a standing march, just get your knees up as high as possible. On all these, right plus left is going to equal 1 rep. After those 15 high knees, you're going to get into 10 opposite pointers. So on all fours, and just keep that back flat, and you're bringing your left arm up and your right leg out, and then your right arm up and your left leg out. And so just back and forth, really squeeze your butt, straighten that leg all the way out to the end, and really squeeze that shoulder too. If you need to do this from a standing position, just lean over a chair, the front of a couch, and do the same motion here, going back and forth for those 10 reps. After your opposite pointers, you're going to do 15 mountain climbers. So getting those hands down and get that shoulder stretched out at the same time, and just going back and forth, getting that knee as close to the elbow as possible. You can also do a stepping version. It's going to reduce the impact, or do either one of those from a raised platform, either stepping or running. 15 high knees, 10 opposite pointers, 15 mountain climbers, and we'll finish with those 10 Russian twists. Now you can do the Russian twist just by keeping your feet off the ground and reaching to your right and then your left. And just going back and forth here, feeling that work the obliques. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, grab something that, excuse me, that weighs anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds and just use that the same way and touch the ground each time back and forth. If you need to do this where you're bringing your feet up as you go over each time, that's okay. Find that balance and that coordination there. And of course, you can also do this from a seated position where you're just keeping those feet off the ground and going back and forth. So for 2 rounds, 15 high knees, 10 opposite pointers, 15 mountain climbers, and then 10 Russian twists. Take your time going through this. With the mountain climbers and the high knees, really get that heart rate up. On the opposite pointers and the Russian twist, really work on the best full range of motion possible. Then for the workout today, we've got a 4-minute AMRAP that you're going to repeat 4 times with a 1-minute rest in between each 4-minute period. So we're going to be doing 15 jumping jacks, 10 T-bones, 10 push-ups, and 5 alternating Superman. So set that 4-minute clock, do as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes, then rest a minute, and then at the next 4-minute period, you're going to pick up where you left off. And you're just going to do as many rounds as possible in that 16 minutes of work total. So on the workout, again, 4 minutes, 15 jumping jacks, 10 T-bones, 10 push-ups, and 5 alternating Superman. We're going to start with the jumping jacks and get those arms and legs going loud and proud. 15 times. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, then reach behind the back each time too and let those hands touch. If you need to reduce the impact, just step each time back and forth so you're still getting that same coordinated motion. If you're not able to get quite all the way overhead, that's okay too. Do the best that you can do today. Then after the 15 jumping jacks, we've got 10 T-bones. On that T-bone, you're laying flat, heels on the ground, and you're just going out to get up, out together, and then down. And just keep that motion going, just about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. If you need to put your hands underneath your hips to stabilize your hips, that's okay. And you can also do this from the seat, same way. Same motion here for those T-bones. After the T-bones, you've got 10 push-ups. We want to see hands underneath the shoulders, on the toes, back flat, going all the way down and all the way up, and keeping that motion going for those push-ups. If you need to go off your knees, that's okay too. Just make sure you start flat on the ground with your hands underneath your shoulders and push the ground away from your body each time on those knee push-ups. And of course on the platform, either from the toes or from the knees. The final exercise is going to be 5 alternating Superman. We're kind of like the opposite pointer. You're bringing your left arm and your right leg up and then switching. Right in here. If you need to do this from a standing position, then just do the same thing. Just push those hips forward and right back. You're just going to do both at one time instead of alternating arms on those. Just really make sure you squeeze your butt and squeeze your core. So 4-minute AMRAP, repeat it 4 times with a 1-minute rest in between. You're going to pick up where you left off at the start of each round, doing 15 jumping jacks, 10 T-bones, 10 push-ups, and 5 alternating Superman. So have fun with this. Make it a great day. Go hard, go fast. Record your score. We will do this one again. And of course, share it with somebody that you know and love. So thanks a lot. Happy Thursday. I'm Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.